To fix a Samsung washing machine that isn't draining or spinning, several issues may be at play. A kinked drain hose or clogged debris filter are common causes of this problem. To resolve these issues, start by straightening the drain hose to enable water to drain effectively. If this doesn't work, cleaning the debris filter may be necessary, particularly for front-load washing machines. This process involves turning off the machine and placing a shallow container and towel near the small access panel at the front. The access panel can be opened by pressing it firmly or using a coin. Next, pull out the emergency drain hose. Remove its cap, and direct the spout to the container, allowing the water to flow out until it stops. After capping the drain hose and returning it to its position, rotate the drain filter counterclockwise and pull it out to remove any debris. Clean the filter with warm water. Then replace it and rotate it clockwise until it's secure. Finally, close the access panel and run a test cycle to assess whether the drum will spin. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Samsung washing machine and get it draining and spinning properly. Again,